Morning YouTube, this is a super fast maintenance video for the Redcat Tornado. This is something that's going to be obvious for anybody with experience in the hobby, but for those of you out there who are noobs like myself, if you're driving this car and you hear a grinding sound coming from somewhere in the transmission, or maybe the car suddenly doesn't seem like it wants to go, it sort of starts and stops a little bit. Could be a battery. And the way that you'll know it's a battery is over the ESC here. There's a red light on the top of it that'll blink for your low voltage warning. However, if it's not the battery, one very simple thing it could be is you've got rocks in here. So the car comes with these pieces of plastic that cover the spur gear. Here's the other one here. They just come off. They're just Phillips head screws on the top, and then there's one underneath there. Okay, easy to take off, and that is what was in there. We were running the car on gravel yesterday, so by now I figured out what this most likely was. But when I first got the car and this happened, it threw me for a loop, and I was concerned that there could be something wrong with the car. Probably nothing with the car. So just open that up, check. You can see these gear teeth need to be cleaned a little bit, but the mesh is, you probably can't see in there, the mesh is pretty good. So I thought maybe it was slipping, could be a mesh problem. This car doesn't have a slipper clutch, although that's my next order of business to try to fit one on here. But because it doesn't have a slipper clutch, you worry a little bit about shocks in the drivetrain, stripping the teeth, or otherwise screwing up your gear mesh, and you might have to reset it. This time just turned out it was a 2-minute fix. Again, just gravel. So if you're having that problem, you're new to RC, you don't know what's going on, I would check that out. All right, see you later.